Hey, you want to know if it snows in Los Angeles. You want to know when the wintertime comes if you can have a great time with your family, friends, and your kids just playing in the snow and having a ball. In this video, I'm going to show you an area right outside of Los Angeles that you can go, have fun. Me and my son had an absolute great time. He's going to be narrating the rest of this video. I'm just sharing the footage with you. I hope you enjoy it.
Hi, this is Sean from Snowdrift. I'm back. It is the day after New Year's Day. We've been having a blast. We stayed up till midnight on New Year's Eve. We're at the snow, inner tubing, and going down these big hills. Just having a blast. I've been racing my dad, and we've done 2 races, and I have a win streak of 2. And he's very upset about that because he doesn't like to lose, but he has to deal with it because he is losing. And yeah, so we've been having a ton of fun over here, just letting down the mountain, playing in the snow.
3, 2, that's our guy. He's throwing us down. Oh my God. I don't know. Don't fall off. Oh, to the top.
And I hope you're having a fun New Year's too. Happy New Year's. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and have a nice day. Thank you.